Say hi!
Hi!
Good afternoon! Maayong hapon! So, it's been a while since wala mi naka-vlog. Super busy with the, with the school. Kay Christmas vacation na nila tomorrow. So, medyo marami silang kailangan i-submit ng mga performance tasks. Kaya na-busy si mommy. So, right now, we're just preparing the gifts. So, we can put it under the Christmas tree. So, mayroon na kami Christmas tree. Wala pa mga regalo. Ngayon, ipiprepare na namin ang aming mga gifts. So, ako lang gumagawa ng ribbons. I'll make my own ribbons.
I want to make a ribbon.
Real pikinized ka ng silver dust love. So, at saka, we need to make more ribbons also for our Christmas tree. Kasi naubos na yung aming mga ornaments. Inubos na ni Milo at ni Jackie. Tinanggal na nila lahat. Ayan, okay. So yeah, I'm making ribbons for the Christmas gifts. Magka-silver dust na. Yung kamot. Excuse me. So, it's pretty easy to make a bow. Kailangan mo lang ng konting patience. Yeah, show me the camera. That one is for the Christmas tree I made earlier. A small, ayaw ate, excuse me.
We're going to hang it?
Yeah, that's for the Christmas.
hang it.
Later. We'll do it all together. So I'll just finish making this. Excuse me. Ready na ba kayo? Are you guys ready for Christmas? Narami there is a gawas. We're here outside because there's a lot of glitters. Yung ribbons namin masyadong glittery. So I don't want it inside the house. What left? There's a lot of glitters on the floor. Almost done. Almost there. Pag mga ganito, mahilig ako mag-DIY. I just make my own ribbons, whatever. And right now also, if you go to the store, wala masyado silang binibenta na mga pang Christmas. Meron din, pero not unlike last year. So I guess this is good.
What did you get from Toy Kingdom, Mama?
It's a secret.
In my book?
It's not me, it's Lola. You get a wait, love. Alright.
I touched the bow on the tree.
Okay. So, kailangan tonight, matapos na namin itong aming mga, nakapagbalot na ako ng mga gifts last night. And then, ngayon, I'll try to put them na sa Christmas tree namin para lalong masaya ang Pasko. Ganyan lang. And cut. So let's make this into a beautiful bowl. Oops. Grabe, kainit. So kinsa dihay ready na? Ug kinsa pa diha ang naay mga extra gifts, pwede na ninyo i-deliver sa balay. Ready to accept gifts. Char. Joke lang. Ibali na, walang regalo, basta healthy tayo guys, diba? Pero, kahit papano, maganda pa rin yung kahit papano, makapagbigay tayo ng konting kaligayahan sa ating mga mahal sa buhay. So, just make my own bowl. And then, okay na? Sure. See? Very easy. Then, para din wow, kagwafa. So, I'm glad nakadala ko mga ribbons, no, from dito gikan sa gawas kay nga, no, mugbo kayong ribbons din, grabe. Heavy. Ang daming glitters. Dali ka siguro po. Okay na. And then, and this. So, medyo... Tapos, ibutangan natin siya. So, di man ta professional ani, pero guwapa rin yapon siya after. Skin sa diya magpag-gift wrap ninyo, let me know. There you go. Charan! Diba? Mura po, atong gipaputo sa SM. There you go. Whew. Right, it's all done. Look. This one is very long. Cut it shorter. There you go. To make it even. Charan, diba? Wapa kayong ribbon din, no?
Wapa kayo patay box.
Ilang days na ako hindi nakapag-vlog kasi ang daming performance task ng mga anak ko. So, of course, sila muna yung aking mga priority. Kaya, na-busy ako. Bukas, wala nang it's their Christmas party na. Virtual Christmas party. Sapa sa kay mga manok, eh. So, may daman pa yung silver dust as in, grabe. Make it tighter. So, nindot na yung kuan, ribbon nga wired. Ang side kay ma-form mo siya into different shapes. So, ganyan na siya. And then, this. Coco! Saba! Init. Super humid. Sa mga naigusto dihang ipa-deliver diris balay, sige. Ready na mo accept og kanang regalo. Charan! There you go. Simple. I only have Two colors lang ni akong ribbon, guys. Okay, wala ko kapalit. There you go. Okay na, de.
Oh, mama.
Like that. I also made these bows for our Christmas tree. Small one and bigger one. Daghang arty. Sharon. All done. Ooh. Nindot. Okay ba, guys? Finally, we're done. Bukangan nila ako ribbons tanan. So, we'll just bring this inside later on and then arrange na nato siya sa Christmas tree. So, okay ba? Makapasara? So, ano na siya, guys? I'll see you on my next video and don't forget to subscribe.